Be the change you wish to see. The story of Liam and the Lost Pond. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by beautiful hills and flowing rivers, there lived a boy named Liam. Liam was kind-hearted and loved nature. He enjoyed spending his free time exploring the nearby woods and playing by the peaceful pond at the edge of the village. The pond was once a beautiful place, full of clear water and colorful fish that sparkled in the sun. The villagers loved to visit it, and it was where many children played and laughed. However, over the years, things had changed. The villagers began throwing trash into the pond, and some of the older trees around it were chopped down to make space for houses. Slowly, the pond started to lose its charm. The once clear water became murky, the fish disappeared, and the once beautiful trees were now only stumps. Liam noticed this change and felt sad. He loved the pond so much, and it hurt him to see how it had become dirty and forgotten. Every time he passed by the pond, he would look at it with a heavy heart. Why isn't anyone doing something to help, he wondered. Why doesn't someone clean up the pond and take care of it? One afternoon, while Liam was sitting by the pond, an old man who lived in the village passed by. The old man was wise and had seen many things throughout his life. He saw how Liam was staring sadly at the pond and stopped to talk to him. "What's bothering you, Liam?" the old man asked. Liam sighed. "I love this pond, but it's not the same anymore. The water is dirty, the fish are gone, and the trees are gone too. Why isn't anyone doing anything to fix it?" The old man looked at Liam with a thoughtful expression. "Sometimes, when something is broken or not right, we wait for others to fix it. But the change must begin with us, Liam. If you want to see a better world, you must first be the change you wish to see. Don't wait for others, start by doing something yourself." Liam looked at the old man, confused. "But I'm just one person. How can I change something as big as the pond?" The old man smiled and gently placed his hand on Liam's shoulder. "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. If you start small and do what you can, others may follow. You will see how powerful your actions can be." The next day, Liam woke up early with a new sense of purpose. He knew that he couldn't change the entire village overnight, but he could make a difference if he started with the pond. He gathered a bucket, some gloves, and a few tools, and headed to the pond. Liam began picking up the trash that was scattered along the banks. He carefully placed the plastic bottles, wrappers, and old papers into the bucket. As he worked, he noticed that some of the villagers were walking by. They stopped and watched Liam for a moment, then continued on their way. No one joined him, and Liam felt a little discouraged. But then he remembered the old man's words, "Be the change you wish to see." So, Liam kept working. Day after day, he cleaned the pond. He cleared away the leaves and branches that had fallen into the water. He planted flowers around the pond and even talked to the village's farmers about how they could prevent their waste from flowing into the water. Slowly, other children in the village started to notice what Liam was doing. They saw how hard he was working, and soon, they decided to help. One by one, the children joined Liam, bringing their parents and other villagers to lend a hand. They all worked together to restore the pond. As the days passed, the pond started to change. The water became clearer, and the fish returned. The trees grew back, and the once dying plants began to bloom. The villagers could see the difference, and soon, the entire village started to care for the pond again. No one threw trash in the water, and everyone worked together to keep it clean. One morning, as Liam stood by the pond, looking at the beautiful transformation, the old man appeared again. He smiled at Liam and said, "You did it, Liam. You didn't wait for others to change things. You became the change, and now look at what you've created." Liam smiled back, feeling proud. "I guess you were right. If you want something to change, you have to start by changing yourself and doing your part." The old man nodded. "Exactly. And remember, one small action can inspire many others. You've shown everyone that even one person can make a big difference. From that day on, Liam continued to care for the pond, and so did the entire village. The pond became a symbol of what could be accomplished when people work together to make a change. And Liam learned an important lesson: if you want to see change in the world, it starts with you. The story of Liam teaches us that if we want to make a positive difference in the world, we must first be willing to take action ourselves. Waiting for others to change things will not bring about the results we desire. Be the change you wish to see by taking small steps and showing others what is possible. With determination, hard work, and a positive attitude, even one person can inspire great change.